What is going on, guys? It's the Aviator here, back with another video.
November
Today's gonna be a
417
plane
Yankee
spotting
Lima.
video.
Contact Los
So if you
Angeles
can't
Tower
already
on
tell, we are at Los
119.8.
Angeles International
Contacting
Airport.
Los Angeles Tower on
In Infinite flight. It's been a long
119.8.
time since I've
November
done an Infinite
417 Yankee
flight
Lima.
video. So yeah, it's gonna be plane spotting in Infinite flight. Nothing too special. So yeah, let's get into it.
Contacting Los
Alright, let's see what we
Angeles
got
Tower
here.
on
We got,
119.
it looks like an Austrian
German cargo 437.
777. Taking on almost 200 knots. I don't think around yet.
Los Angeles
Almost just right.
Endeavor 2398.
Now it's the time you should put your gear up.
Los Angeles
Does put his gear up.
Speedbird 483
It's at
heavy. Ready for pushback.
230
Endeavor
knots. Hasn't put his gear up
2398.
yet.
Taxi to parking.
Taxiing to parking.
If you didn't know,
2398.
your gear is only supposed to be down under 200 knots. It will not come down if you're over 200 knots. There's a face slap.
Speedbird
That's a face
483
slap moment of the
heavy.
day.
Pushback approved.
And
Expect
we're gonna get
runway
a
6 right.
face slap counter in here. Yeah, we're gonna get a face slap counter. So this is gonna be an interesting day.
Pushback approved. Speedbird 483 heavy.
Alright, continuing on. We're going down runway 25 right on the free mode, so you can basically just go into your camera settings and click free mode, and you can go all over the airport without moving your airplane and viewing whatever. Alright, we got Guadalupe the 3rd, Air Force One. Should be a 747-2, but it appears he's in a 747-8. Needless to say, a Lufthansa 747-8. That is very unprofessional. Guadalupe. He's rolling down the runway. Yeah, I really don't like it. You don't go a whole session, you don't go a whole session without seeing Air Force One. So, I mean, it kind of makes sense, but it doesn't at the same time. It shouldn't make sense.
Speedbird
So that's
483
two
heavy.
face
Hold
slaps for
position.
today.
Holding
Alright,
position.
again,
Speedbird
we have a
483
very late
heavy.
rotation. He's at 230 knots. 240 knots. He's almost about to hit that violation.
Speedbird
Tail
483
strikes at
heavy.
242
Please wait for
knots.
clearance before
More trucks on
taxiing.
that one.
Los Angeles ground. Speedbird 483 heavy.
230
Ready to taxi.
knots. Oh my gosh. Pretty bad. Really bad.
Speedbird 483 heavy. Taxi to runway
Oh my
6
gosh,
right.
I don't know.
Contact tower when ready.
Air Force One.
Speedbird 483 heavy.
It's
Contact
super
Los
bad.
Angeles Tower on 119.8.
Sorry, bro. Alright, we gotta move on.
Los Angeles ground.
Alright,
Delta
we're ready to move
620.
on.
Ready for pushback.
Doing reverse ops
Requesting
at Los
runway
Angeles
7 left.
International Airport. This is training
Delta
server.
620. Pushback
but you can see
approved.
this kind of
Expect
behavior
runway
in
7
the
left.
Casual server.
Pushback approved.
I
Delta
really need to start
620.
switching over to expert server because I'm grade 4. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing to still be in training server, but you get a lot of traffic in training server. Okay, German cargo 437 in a C-130. Oh my gosh. This is I think it's an Irish C-130J, so I'm not sure why they have the German cargo. 150, he should be rotating about 130 or less. It's okay, but he's almost scraping the ground on takeoff. Not sure what he's trying to do there. It doesn't look like he has any flaps. He needs to put some flaps in order to take off. Yeah, it doesn't have any flaps. It's pretty bad. As you can see, though, it's definitely not German lettering on the aircraft, so I'm not sure why he still has German cargo as his call sign. Again, pay attention to your call sign, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to be flying with 747 with a Delta call sign. Okay, so Delta looking pretty good.
Air Force One Super. Request frequency change.
Wow.
Air Force One
Probably already
Super.
reached that,
Contact Los Angeles Tower on
violation.
119.8.
Jeez.
Contacting Los
Almost
Angeles
300
Tower on 119.8. Air
Yeah,
Force One
500
Super.
feet. Dude, this guy is crazy. Yeah, he's gonna really pull up to try and loosen that speed so I won't get a violation, but that is just, wow. Rotate at maximum 160 knots, people. Maximum. And we have a aircraft 767 landing at the opposite end of the runway.
Los Angeles
Tower,
ground.
what is going
Air China
on
777
at Los
heavy.
Angeles
Ready
International?
for pushback.
Oh my gosh. A Delta.
Air
Gotta give it
China
to my boy, though,
777
Delta.
heavy. Pushback
Fly
approved.
Delta, you know what I'm
Expect
saying?
runway 7 left.
But oh my
Pushback
gosh.
approved. Air China
kidding
777
me.
heavy.
And a jazz call sign. Oh, don't even get me started. Don't even. Air China with the Air China F-22 heavy call sign. You're kidding. Oh my gosh. I can't even put that into words. That is just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. At least general aviation call sign for that. If not an Air Force call sign. Just, oh my gosh. That's an F-22 at Los Angeles. Okay? Let alone an Air China call sign. Let alone the heavy after it. And he just... visible confusion or audible confusion. I just can't even with this guy right now. So moving on. This is really bad here at Los Angeles. Just fly out of Memphis. Just fly out of Memphis. You won't have any problems out of
Air
Memphis.
China
Sometimes you have air traffic
777
control.
heavy. Hold position.
Spins.
Holding position. Air
alright,
China
moving on.
777
Runway
heavy.
7 left.
Air China 777 heavy. Please wait for clearance
really bad
before
call
taxiing.
sign, or a really bad username on that one. Redwood 452. Oh my gosh. Asiana 777. With the door open, so random finisher. Close your doors. This is bad. This is really bad. This is really bad. Close your door while flying or taxiing or any type of movement. Have your doors closed. Please, rookie mistake. And Guadalupe the Third is back.
Air China
as
777
Air Force
heavy.
One
Hold
again.
position. Air China 777 heavy.
777,
Please wait for clearance
let
before
alone
taxiing.
a New Zealand 777. We have Speed Road 438. We're gonna judge this landing here. I have no words. Just not even on the runway. Landed to the north of the runway. And he stops on an active runway. What? Oh my gosh. Bro. And this guy is still standing there. Or just still waiting. Obviously for this guy. This guy's crazy. Moving on.
Los Angeles ground.
Moving on.
Nordica 001 heavy.
Hopefully
Request
we can find
taxi to
some
parking.
sort of realism here at LA. Oh my gosh, this is really bad.
Nordica 001
Really
heavy.
bad.
Taxi
The
to
call
parking.
sign, Air China 777 heavy. With the username
Taxiing to
your
parking.
dad.
Nordica 001 heavy.
Oh wow, massive tail strike. Massive tail strike. And he's going vertical. He is going space shuttle Shaddis on us, ladies and gentlemen. Jazz 104 and a Delta 767. And he's stalling momentarily. He's going to be stalling, making it plummet towards the ground. Right rudder. Plummeting towards the That will mark the end of Jazz 104 at Los Angeles. He's gone. Rest in peace. F in the chat for Jazz 104. That's really bad, y'all. Alright. Hopefully we can still find some realism. It's looking very bad. Air Force One Super and the 777. Not sure how that's gonna work. Guadalupe the Third, you're killing me, bud. And Acrobat. Let's see if we can put on a show. Oh no. Oh no, he's in the 747.
Los Angeles ground.
He is in
November
Air Force
857 Tango Hotel.
Yeah,
Ready for
yeah.
pushback.
We're
Requesting
not
runway
even
25
Oh,
right.
he's going full throttle.
November
Wait,
857 Tango Hotel. Pushback
He's gonna go full
approved.
throttle on us.
Expect runway
Oh my
7
God.
left.
He's landing
Pushback
in the hard turn.
November
He's going full
857
throttle.
Tango Hotel.
You've gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding me. Holy. Just chill out. Dude. Alright, I can't even. Alright, we're going back to the takeoffs. Because that's where you can find traffic these days, is takeoffs. Alright, let's see. Let's see here. Asiana 9221. Heavy. Hopefully this guy won't be too bad. Here he comes. Alright. Should be V1 right about now. Should be V2. Should be rotating right now. Stays on the ground. Doors still open. With this Asiana 777. Doors still open. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Rotated at about 200 knots. Geared. I think that they're still down.
Los Angeles ground, November 1994 Echo, ready to taxi.
I don't even know at this point. I don't even know. And I think I'm gonna head out here once this quote unquote Air China 777 heads out, which I don't even know. I don't even know at this point. I'm upset with the training server and the unprofessionalism that has been shown today. And overall rating, we'll give this -5 out of 10. Air China. He's off. He's off the ground. Hopefully safely. And that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment if you want more of this type of video, and want you guys to have a good day and stay safe out there. Alright, bye.